Hello everybody, welcome to our team presentation. This is my team. The name of our team is Join4Fun. My team has three members, me, Phan Sung Quang, Như Quân, and the last member is Minh Nghĩa. The topic which my team is going to talk today is fingerprint sensor. Here, does anybody know the fingerprint sensor? If you don't know about the fingerprint sensor, it's no problem, because my team will make you understand this topic. Now let's start. The fingerprint sensor will scan your fingerprint and compare it with a fingerprint scan image that has been saved before. Because each person has a different fingerprint, the system can exactly identify the user. It is a system capable of quickly capturing and saving user fingerprint. The system is placed under the scan frame. The user will place their hand on the sensor. It will capture the image and the software will analyze the image according to convex and concave position on your fingertip. With the use of fingerprint on system, the security of the device is always at highest level. This data will then be compared with the fingerprint data previously to accurately identify the user. The fingerprint sensor will use a radio wave-based sensor system, which also analyzes the skin under finger to combat smaller fingerprint feature. And the next is presentation of new one. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Queen. Now I will talk about part 2 tire fingerprint. Certainly, there are three tire popular fingerprint sensors, such as optical sensor, cap cap capacity sensor, and ultrasonic wave sensor. First, optical sensor work by using light to capture fingerprint. It will record to the image of the fingerprint and compare the fingerprint with each other. Secondly, capacity sensor. It uses more capacitor circuit bar. It will remember, store all details related to fingerprint. And ultrasonic wave sensor interrupt using image or capacitance. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor technology will use high frequency ultrasonic sound. That sound waves are responsible for recording the details of the user fingerprint, storing it and used to distinguish it from other fingerprints. You don't need to swap it. Touch the sensor with your finger to scan fingerprint. Um, why is a, a ultrasonic fingerprint sensor popular? Because of three reasons. First, high security. Using the detailed 3D model of the fingerprint, it will have a high level of security similar to Face ID, but the optical sensor will have to set up a detailed 2D image of the fingerprint, so it to press many times on the screen and lead to low security. Secondly, faster detection speed. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor uses fingerprint first data, so just a single line press is needed to authenticate. And finally, high accuracy. The optical sensor will not work when your hand are wet, squishy, or the screen is sketched, but the ultrasonic sensor can do that. Next, yeah, go to continue present.
Hello, my name is Nghĩa. Now I will talk about advantage and application from the analysis above. We can see that the fingerprint sensor can bring a lot of benefits. Here are some of its benefits. Advantages. The firstly, fingerprint sensor helps us unlock device or app easily with just one tap or flash, time saving. The secondly, you don't worry about the forgetting the password. It is very beneficial for the elderly because they cannot remember for long. Finally, authenticity is high because each person fingerprint is unique. It is some applications, smartphone, laptop, timekeeper, and smart locks. Besides the advantages, it also has the following disadvantages. It is difficult to recognize in the crowd of different fingerprints. This situation can be caused by many factors such as awareness, thus easy to use by bad guys. Fingerprint recognition can take place immediately when you lose consciousness. Thank you for listening.